So this is super exciting. One of my reels has gone viral and I'm truly grateful for the overwhelming support and interest in this video. It's been a thrill to see the views grow daily from thousands to millions. Thank you all for making this possible. Since I've received several inquiries about the steps to achieve this stitch, I've decided to create an exclusive in-depth video. Originally, the video was meant to showcase my progress as a pattern designer, not so much as a step-by-step tutorial. But I realized the demand and I'm excited to share the detailed steps to achieve this raised leaf stitch. By the way, hello, this is Sarah, the fiber artist behind Flourishing Fibers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for returning. Flourishing Fibers takes a traditional craft of embroidery, but mixes it up with using untraditional materials such as paper and wood to create fun and unique projects. I'll link my site in the comments where you can find patterns, both free and paid, tools that I use, and embroidery notions. Now let's get started. This embroidery technique is called raised leaf stitch. You can actually create this leaf using many objects and they don't even need to be a tube shape. I'm choosing to use wood dowels that you can easily find at the hardware store. It could be done in many sizes. You are not limited to what you see here. I'm also creating 4 loops, which I think works best for these size dowels. If you choose to go larger, you might want to do more loops. If you count the holes from the bottom up, I start at hole 2 and I plan to make 4 loops by placing the dowel over the holes and wrapping the dowel with the stitches. I work my way up and when I'm done with the top loop, I return to the second hole and down hole 1 and then back up hole 2 to create the small straight stitch. I do this to secure the loops. Now I gently slip the dowel out and pull the needle through the loops, go over the loops and tack them down by going down the first hole. When you add tension, you will see that the loops flatten out and kind of fan out on the sides, creating a nice leaf shape. You will need to help guide the working thread for it to stay in the center as you work. I used the stitch in the 1/8 size and my mom heart pattern. As you can see, it adds a lot of beautiful texture and details to the finished project. Again, I'll link the mom heart pattern and many more in the description. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed following along. If you enjoyed this tutorial or simply want to support me, please subscribe to my channel. All the support is greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Keep on stitching. Bye.